Getting an accurate, fully automated employee time tracking system starts with establishing a reliable schedule. Once configured, your system will track hours and recognize off days without requiring daily manual input. We are running this setup in Hinawi ERP. Established in 1998, the platform is designed to handle detailed administrative operations natively in both Arabic and English. This is the shift creation window. Our objective here is to build a complete company shift schedule from scratch. Before making these assignments, confirm that you are logged in with administrative access and that your general company profile is fully populated. Locking in this schedule structure upfront guarantees that all daily attendance data flows logically, which prevents calculation errors by the time it reaches your payroll department. Step 1 is defining foundational shift categories. We will use the office staff group as our primary example. For each code, you specify the daily time frame. Here, the first block runs from an 8:30 a.m. from time to an 1:30 p.m. to time. Sometimes an employee might clock in without having a specific shift assigned to them in the system. To handle this, we need a safety net. You handle that contingency right here. By entering an 8 in the field reading "If shift is not set up or assigned, default hours taken for the calculation," you provide a baseline value. If you leave this box blank, the system has no data to fall back on, meaning unassigned employees will register 0 hours and miss their pay for the day. Establishing these base codes alongside a default hourly value builds a robust safety net for your attendance data. Moving to the Set Shifts tab, we establish the operational week. Our week start day is selected here as Saturday. Below that, we define the weekend. In the off day column for the office staff, we mark Friday and Saturday as non-working days. This step is crucial. If you forget to check these boxes, the software assumes the employee should be working, which triggers a missing timesheet error every single weekend. You also need to tell the software how to treat scheduled holidays when calculating a full month of pay. That rule is controlled by checking the box labeled Include Holiday Units in Total Month Units. Completing this section gives the system the exact logic to approve a 0-hour entry on a weekend or a holiday without penalizing your staff. Next, we map the actual dates for national and company-wide closures. Because Hinawi ERP is designed to operate seamlessly in both Arabic and English, it readily accommodates local and regional holiday variations. Here in the Set Holidays tab, fixed holidays happen on the exact same date, like New Year. Variant holidays, like Eid Adha, change dates. However, you must use the right-side columns to manually link each holiday to specific shift groups, like office staff. Directing specific holidays to specific groups prevents the system from miscalculating pay for diverse teams operating across different regions. This brings us to the Summary tab to verify our configuration. Looking at the office staff breakdown, the system automatically projects 30.5 working units per week. It then calculates the total monthly unit requirements across all possible 31, 30, 29, and 28-day months. Take a moment to cross-reference these automated totals with your official HR policies to ensure the math aligns perfectly. Verifying this table guarantees that all subsequent timesheets are measured against a mathematically sound baseline. With the math verified, your system is fully prepared to read daily attendance logs without manual adjustments. This is the exact kind of automated reliability Hinawi ERP has been delivering to businesses since 1998. To lock in these parameters, go to the bottom of the window and click Save. You now have a scalable, fully automated scheduling architecture running securely in the background.